Hello and welcome back to the Bharat Speaks show, and I'm your host Bharat Kumar Gudinarva. So let's talk about RCB winning the IPL trophy once again in 2026. But honestly, this isn't just a cricket story. So it is a masterclass in pure capitalism. So think about it. Right before this season, a giant group led by the Aditya Birla family bought RCB for a mind blowing 16,600 crore rupees. But why? So, this is because sports teams are the ultimate money printing machines today. So, while we cheer for every six under boundary, the owners are looking at a predictable business. So, player salaries have a strict limit, but the money from TV rights and the sponsorships keep growing. So the Birlas are literally collecting massive dividends from our pure emotions. So they bought a legacy and now they multiply their wealth. So this is the modern capitalism. Thank you so much for listening. Happy listening.